Hello everyone, let's take a look at our UpNorthLive.com forecast. Lots of clouds around northern Michigan. Once again, we have a system that will be with us basically through Tuesday, and that's going to keep showers in the forecast. Most of these, at least for our Friday, are off to the east, but a lot of these will start to spiral back into northern Michigan, and you can see a number of showers here. Friday night into Saturday, we start our Saturday morning, lots of clouds around, numerous showers also forecasted. Saturday night, pretty quiet, and then as we head into Sunday, again, with the system kind of spiraling around this upper level low, we're looking at some showers continuing into Sunday, especially to the south. Here are the forecast details on your Friday. Mostly cloudy sky. Showers are most likely near Lake Huron for your Friday. North and northeast winds averaging around 10 miles an hour. Highs will be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Tonight, pretty cloudy for your Friday night. Showers becoming more widespread. These showers will roll in from the east. North winds at 10, gusting to 20. Temperatures between 42 and 48 degrees. And here is that system, again, spiraling away around the Great Lakes region. Kind of see this tight, compact area of low pressure. That'll eventually get lifted out of here. So by the middle and end of next week, as a ridge develops here, we should start to clear out and see the sun returning. And we have that in the 7-day forecast. Temperatures through this period, as we are now officially into autumn, remaining in the 60s. But every day through Tuesday does feature the chance for a few showers. Once that upper level low moves out, sunshine later Wednesday and into the day Thursday.